for your monetization. And maraming salamat rin sa mga friends mo at saka sa grupo natin. Congrats!
Si Trisha, congratulations! Keep up the good work. Pagpatuloy mo yan. Alam ko, ano ka, hardworking ka dyan sa channel mo. Lagi lang ako nakasupport sa'yo. And, love you so much. Mama tutu.
Ayan na, Trisha, congratulations. Monetize ka na. More power. Sorry anak, hindi ako marunong magsalita sa harapan ng camera, pero trying hard si mami mo. So, congratulations. May God bless you. Pagpatuloy mo lang ang naumpisa mong pag-vlog at mas marami ka pang mararating. Malay mo, bukas o sa makalawa maging 5,000 ka na, di ba? So, congratulations na. I love you. Dito lang si mami mo. I love you so much, anak Trisha. Congratulations. May God bless you.
Kamusta? Ayan. Ate Trisha, congratulations. Ayan, monetize ka na. Sa wakas. Ayan, sa wakas, na-monetize ka na. Ayan. I hope sipagan mo pa. At enjoy mo lang ang pag-YouTube. Para lahat madali. Okay? Good luck. Salamat. Ingat. Bye-bye.
Binabati ko nga pala si Trisha. Happy Monetized Channel. Yan. Keep safe. Laging mababa ang loob. Huwag makihalo sa mga gulo. Take care and good luck. See you, Trisha. Happy lang.
Hi, Sis Trisha. Congratulations to your YouTube channel, Monetized. I'm happy for you dahil sa hirap, pagod, puyat natin sa pagwa-YT. Ayan, ganap ka ng vlogger and enjoy your vlogging. More power to your channel. Sana marami ka pang ma-upload ng mga videos at lagi kang mag-ELS para marami kang matulungan ng mga small YouTuber na gusto rin umangat yung channel nila. And dito lang ako susuporta sa'yo. God bless!
Hi, Trisha, hello! Ayan, just wanna greet you, happy monetization ng channel mo. Good luck ate sa channel mo. More revenues, more subscribers, more contents, ayan, at saka more followers, more friends, more family to gain. Always remember, andito lang ako, Camila, Ate Jenny, para sa iyo, para sa channel mo. Thank you sa friendship, thank you for your sweetness. Ayan. Whatever may mga gusto kang itanong, andito lang din si Bunso. Yan, God bless you more ate. Stay sexy, stay pretty, and stay young. God bless, and congratulations ulit ate. Bye.
Hello, my beautiful sis, Trisha! Yahoo! Monetize ka na. Congratulations sa iyong hard work. Ayan na. So, ituloy natin yung good vibes. Happy lang tayo para everyday masaya. Ayan, I'm happy for your success on your YouTube and keep up the good work. Congratulations again, my beautiful sister. Mwah! God bless! I love you. Nandito lang ako lagi. Alam mo yan. Mwah!
Hello everyone. Taos talaga. Pasensya na guys. Shoutout sa lahat na mga supporters ni TRISHA999. At sana nasa mabuti kayo. Message ko lang sa iyo, Trisha. Congrats dahil sa success mo sa YouTube na as a monetized channel. At good luck sa iyo at sana ipagpatuloy mo pa at pagtulong ng mga small YouTuber. At good luck, sana marami ka pang matulungan. Sorry, pasensya, paus talaga ako guys. Ito lang message ko sa iyo, Trisha, na sana hindi ka magbago kung saan. Kung lalaki pa yung channel mo, sana ganun ka pa rin. At salamat nagkakilala tayo. At sa lahat ng mga subscribers ni Trisha, mga supporters, followers, salamat sa wala kayong sawang nagsuporta sa kanya. At salamat at sa'yo din, Trisha, congrats. Hindi ko nahabaan yung ano ko kasi yung boses ko talaga wala na talaga. Dahil sa kakailis ko guys, gabi-gabi yun ang nagpala ko. Pero okay lang kasi kahit ganito, at least enjoy. At wish ko lang sa'yo, Trisha, sana mag-enjoy ka. More fun for your channel. At tagal, marami pang mga taong mapasaya mo. At salamat. Yun lang. Bye-bye guys. Congratulations. TRISHA999 as a monetized channel. At sa lahat ng mga subscriber at followers ni Trisha, salamat sa pagsuporta niyo sa kanya. Thank you and bye-bye. God bless us. Bye-bye guys.
Hello to Trisha. Congratulations. Last monetized ka. Madami pa tayong gagawin dun sa channel mo, okay? Congratulations, Ate Trisha. I love you, I love you, I love you. Ate Trisha, congratulations! Gusto lang kitang i-congratulate kasi isa ka ng monetized channel ngayon. Isa ka ng naganap na YouTuber. AdSense na lang ang kulang. Ayun, makakasahod ka na. Yes! More revenue! Gusto ko lang i-ano sa'yo, more revenue. Te, sana hindi ka magbago, te, ha? Sana hindi ka magbago sa amin. Sa amin ni VJ, saka ako support mo sa amin. Te, thank you so much, te. Gusto lang, I'm happy for you na nakuha mo na to. Congratulations. Congratulations. Sana happy ka today. I know happy ka today. I know happy ka talaga. Bye-bye!
Ayun, Tol Trisha, maupay ang adlaw. At yan, karoya ko lang, congratulations si Tol Trisha dahil sa wakas, na-monetize na hiya. Ayan, Tol Trisha, congratulations at welcome hapanibag nga journey sa pagiging isang YouTuber. Ayan, at muli, congratulations na imo at keep it up and keep it a good work. At once again, congratulations and good luck. Ayan,
Hi Trisha, congratulations. Masaya ako Ben na monetize ka na. Sana ipagpatuloy mo ang iyong journey sa YouTube and the more uploads. At sana hindi ka magsasawa sa aming mga kaibigan mo na kahit may mga pasaway na kagaya ko. Ayan. Andito lang naman kami. Hindi naman tayo perfecto. Pero again, congratulations Trisha. We love you. In behalf of our group, Fair TV, we love you and congratulations. More power to your channel.
Hi Tris! Congratulations for your YouTube channel monetized and wish you all the best. Enjoy vlogging and more power. Just call our name and we will be there to support you. Me and the girls, your mommy Gemini from Germany. Bye-bye!
Hello to Trisha, this is Ed Connect from Italy. Guten Morgen, good morning, mayong buntag diha nimo. We heard na monetized challenge na po kayo. I know you're so happy for that. So we are so happy too of your achievement. Sana po tuloy-tuloy lang po yung ginagawa mo. Enjoy what you are doing. Having good vibes during your LS o yung mga pag-akit-akit natin sa mga channels natin mga kaibigan. Sana tuloy-tuloy lang po. Wish ko lang po na sana alagaan mo yung sarili mo. Always healthy. Remember to always connect, not just us, your friends or your friends around you. Always connect to your family back in Cebu o saan man sila. Remember then na connected lagi tayo sa ating mahal na Panginoon. Kung may mga kailangan man tayo, tawag lang tayo sa Kanya. Huwag nating kalimutan, di ba? Sana po sa mga araw darating, magkasama-sama po tayo sa mga ginagawa natin in the community, sa YouTube, having that kind of online live show, kantahan, jamming, ano-ano man dyan, kwentuhan. Sana po, tuloy-tuloy lang po yung ginagawa natin na saya tayo. Of course naman, maganda yung mga dinamdam natin kasi healthy tayo po. Sige po, congratulations. We're so happy for you. Sana lahat tayo one day magkakaroon ng channel monetized para enjoy naman. Saka na lang yung blow at how pa magkita-kita tayo. Huwag kalimutan. Again, Ate Trisha, congratulations. Remember, we all love you. Bye-bye.
Hello, good evening. Hi, Sis Trisha. I would like to say congratulations. You are now monetized and of course, welcome to YT World. Ayun na nga. Congratulations sa iyo, sis, and more blessings to your channel, more subscribers to come, and sana continue ang ating friendship. Thank you for being my friend. Ayun. So, congratulations and may you have more subscribers to come sa iyong channel. And soon, pupunta ako at bibisita ako sa iyo lagi. You got me back. Love you, sis. Congratulations.
Hello, Trisha. I'm so happy that to have heard that you're already a newly monetized channel, and I'm so glad to be here just to express my joy and happiness upon knowing that you're already a newly monetized channel, as I said. And of course, I'm here to fraternally congratulate you for these wonderful blessings in your journey in the YT. May you continue and remain smiling, friendly, and continue to share your talent, your blessings in this YT world. Have a beautiful journey in the YT, and God bless you.
On your monetization, CC. Ayan, saya ko. Ayan, nakamtan mo na ang iyong tagumpay. Sana, tuloy-tuloy mo na yan, and ano lang yan, simple lang, chill lang, enjoy lang, tapos live lang ng content, then kung kailangan mo ako, ayun, tawagan mo lang ako, PM mo lang ako kung meron kang hindi naintindihan, kung kaya ko rin lang. So, based on my experience lang kita matutulungan. So, yun lang. Keep it up, and good luck, keep safe, sana magkita tayo dito, pumunta ka na dito kasi o magkita tayo dyan sa Germany, and then para mag-vlog tayong dalawa, ha? Love you, Sisi, ingat, dito lang kami ng mga sisters mo. We love you all, love you, bye bye, congrats.
Hi Trish, hi buddy, congratulations. I know it's your premiere. I still remember nung una kitang pinakilala sa mga LSLS, sa mga akyat tayo. At ngayon, may sarili ka ng LS. I'm so happy for you. And sana tuloy-tuloy mo lang yan. Andito lang ako, my dear friend. I miss you, my dear sis.
Hi, Trisha. Kamusta na? Munti ko na makalimutan. But I want to congratulate you for your YT. Meeting the monetization part of it. And as a YouTuber, I hope that you're gonna have more and more subscribers, more friends to come, and I know that people are really very amused and well entertained by you while you're singing. And I'm just here around to support you all the time, and thank you for supporting me also in my vlog, Divine Daughter of the King. So, God bless, and more power, and thank you for being so nice to me. I love you.
At guys, i-ano natin, i-greet natin yung natin. Yung isa sa mga supporter natin, guys.
From
silent
the start,
supporter natin, guys.
From the very beginning until now. 2 years na, no? In the making.
2 years in the making. Silent supporter, ang pinakamabait natin.
Ano talaga, Antibay.
I-congratulations natin yung isa natin, si TRISHA999 for your monetization.
Congratulations. Congratulations po, Ma'am
Yes, Ma'am
Trisha.
Trisha, congrats po,
Congratulations,
congrats.
And of course, banat pa
Wish you
sa
all the best, ha?
Papa
Wish you all the best. Ano na, it's time to work.
Oh, time to work.
You're now become
Legit na.
officially
Yes.
YouTuber.
Yes. Ano pala?
Legit na YouTuber na si
Parang
Ma'am
kailan
Trisha,
lang,
guys.
Ma'am Trisha, no?
Oo.
Pero anyways, thank you po for always supporting us all the way from the very beginning up till now.
Ma'am Trisha,
And
ano
God
yamin
bless
yan?
you po. God bless your
yung
kind heart.
silent supporter at saka, ayan, Team Baba. At
Team
saka,
Baba yan. Yes.
Team Hidset.
Team BG din.
Team Review din. Lahat ng team dyan. Ma'am Trisha,
Sayang gumagawa.
thank you so much. You're very supportive. Thank you.
Live na live.
Yes, congratulations.
Congratulations, Ma'am Trisha.
See you in your grand LS.
Congratulations.
Congratulations and celebrations. Congratulations, congratulations. I want the world to know I'm happy as can be.
Ay sila, wala ka masabi ka, Ma'am Trisha?
Wala. Congrats, ma'am.
Congrats.
Kabachuy.
Ikaw, Jen?
Yan from Somali.
But that was in the battle days before I met you. When
Sali kami sa
Celebrate na yan. Celebrate na.
Ma'am, Grand LS po, thank you so much for your
Oy,
Grand LS.
Grand LS.
This is
Sir Noel Channel.
this is a premiere video. Premiere. Ma'am Trisha.
congratulations and celebrations.
Christy, do you wanna say something to Ma'am Trisha?
Ma'am Trish, congratulations. Keep up the good work.
Yes, parang bukas na yata ang Grand LS ni Ma'am Trisha.
Yes.
Bukas na.
Sali kami.
See you
Sali
tayo.
kami sa pag-games mo,
Yeah,
ma'am.
see you guys at Ma'am Trisha Puertolanos YouTube channel. Bukas po, may Grand LS po si Ma'am Trisha. Ayan, supportahan po natin yung kauna-unang Grand LS na po. My gosh. Ayan. Ano ba tayo doon? Punta ba tayo doon?
Golf course.
Don't force.
Request.
Ma'am Trisha, we love you. Thank you so much po. And stay safe.
We are the
always.
Essence Band, guys, here at MJ Recording Studio Production. Thank you.
Hello to all. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, saan man sulok ng mundo na mayroong YT na tatak Pinoy. It's me, TRISHA999, your BFF in YT. Maraming salamat at tulad na rin ako sa inyo dyan, guys, yung mga na-monetize niya. Maraming salamat sa inyo at tinangkilik nyo rin ang aking YouTube channel, kaya ako nakarating ng na na-monetize at dun sa mga tumulong sa akin, lalo maraming salamat. At alam nyo yan, guys, kung sino kayo. Ako yung buong pusong nagpapasalamat sa inyo. Na nandyan lang kayo sa akin para tumulong. At nandyan din ako sa inyo para din to have fun sa mga YT nyo rin. Ayun, di ba? Yun lang naman ang mahalaga. Let's just have fun as always. Good vibes. Yun po. God bless us all and mwah.